Good day, my dear classmates and ma'am. Today I will discuss about the use of only, and, or, and not, which are the basic logical operations when we are dealing with proposition. And also after that, I will discuss about the logical equivalences. But before that, let us first have a recap of what proposition is. Proposition po is defined as the declarative statement which can be either true or false. So to further elaborate, let us have this example. For example, we have this activity, identify if the following is a proposition or not. Number one, the Philippines is an archipelago. So first po, identify natin kung declarative statement siya. Yes, this is a declarative statement because it states an information about the Philippines. So Philippines is an archipelago. Ini-inform po tayo na archipelago daw po yung Philippines, which is the very definition of declarative statement. And also, ma-identify din po natin kung true or false yung statement na ito because Philippines is indeed an archipelago kasi by definition of archipelago, binubuo po ng maraming island. So, alam naman po natin ang Philippines ay maraming island. So, therefore, this statement is true and this is declarative, meaning to say this is a proposition. Number two po, Cebu is the summer capital of the Philippines. So, identify po natin kung declarative. Yes, it is a declarative because it states an information about something. At number two po, can be either true or false. So, Cebu is the summer capital of the Philippines. False po siya. So, dahil po, ang summer capital of the Philippines is Baguio. So, ngayon po, since alam natin na declarative statement siya at false siya, proposition pa rin naman po siya. Number 3, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is a proposition kasi po this is a mathematical statement, complete mathematical statement po siya. And alam naman po natin na 2 plus 2 is indeed equal to 4, which makes it true. So alam po natin na this is a declarative statement and also this is true statement. Therefore, this is a proposition. Number 4, how are you? How are you po is an interrogative statement, kaya dun pa lang po sa unang characteristic ng proposition, hindi na po siya pwede. Kaya alam po natin na how are you is not a proposition. Kasi hindi din po natin, kapag hindi po siya declarative statement, hindi din po natin ma-identify kung true or false po siya. Number 5, please clean a Cebu. This is a request. So therefore, hindi po natin siya ma-identify as true or false. Therefore, this is not a proposition. So ang mga propositions lang po ay statements 1, 2, 3. Now, my dear classmates, good if we're only given with simple propositions just like the first three statements in this slide. But what if we are given now with a propositions that is composed of two propositions combined in a single proposition? Paano na po natin makikita or malalaman ang truth value niya? So when we are dealing with compound proposition, so first let us define what compound proposition is. Compound propositions po are composed of two or more propositions which are connected by the connectives, or better known as the basic logical operations of proposition. So meron po tayong 5 basic operation. We have the conjunction which is denoted by and ito po yung symbol niya. We have the disjunction which is denoted by or, and we have the symbol for disjunction. And negation po, we have not, which is denoted by a tilde, or ito pong parang inverted L. And also we have the conditional, which is denoted by if, and then, which is denoted also by the symbol arrow. And also we have the biconditional, which is the if and only if, which is denoted by an arrow with 2 arrowheads. So paano tayo nagkaroon ng 4 rows? We know that the proposition can be either true or false. So the result is always 2. Now it is raised to the number of propositions. So since we have 2 propositions here, which are the P and the Q, so that will give us 2 raised to 2, which is 4. So alam natin na 4 po yung magiging number of rows. Pero halimbawa, kapag 3 na siya, or yung 3 yung number of proposition, we use 2 raised to n still, which is equal to 2 raised to 3, which is also equal to 8. Kaya pag tatlo na po yung proposition, 8 rows na po tayo. So we have PQ, we have T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. So paano po ito nakuha? Diba po, yung first proposition, pwede siya maging true or false. At kapag true po yung isang proposition, pwede yung pangalawang proposition can be also either true or false. At yung pangalawa naman po can also be true or false. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng TT. So we have TT here, TF. Nagkaroon tayo ng TF here. FT, dito po siya, FT. And FF, dito po sa last. Na using po the conjunction, ang magiging rule po natin kapag end yung statement, isa pong F, lahat na po magiging F. So halimbawa, ito po, TF, kahit nag-iisa lang po yung F, meron po siyang F, FT, ganun din po FF. Sa disjunction, kapag isang T, lahat magiging T. Kaya dito po, TT, that will give us T, TF, that will give us T, and FT, that will give us T. Dito po, FF, dun lang po siya nag-F. The negation, ininegate lang po natin kung ano yung proposition. So in this example, ang ginamit ko po is the P. So in this example, yung ginamit ko po is yung P. So the negation of true is false, kaya naging false siya dito. The negation of true is false. The negation of false is true, and the negation of false is true. Kaya nagkaroon po siya ng ganitong truth table. Now, conditional, if then. Ito po, sa if then, isang beses lang po, or yung natatanging condition niya dito is that kapag yung first proposition is true at yung pangalawa is false, dun lang po siya magpo-false. And the rest, lahat po siya true. By conditional, magpo-false lang po siya kapag magkaiba ang truth value ng dalawang proposition. Pero kapag magkaparehas po, for example dito, parehas na true yung P and Q, kaya po siya naging true. Dito din po, parehas naging false, kaya naging true siya. So that is the biconditional. If and only if, which is denoted by an arrow with two arrowheads. Kaya, for example, we have the proposition, the Philippines is an archipelago if and only if Cebu is the summer capital of the Philippines. So, ano po kaya yung truth value ng statement na ito? This is actually false kasi ano po yung sabi dito? Magiging false po siya kapag sa biconditional if and only if kapag dalawang magkaiba yung truth value ng proposition. So, the Philippines is an archipelago, this is true. And Cebu is the summer capital of the Philippines. Sabi natin kanina, that is false because it is the Baguio. So, true, false po siya. So, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng truth value na false. So, this statement, the compound proposition, the Philippines is an archipelago if and only if Cebu is the summer capital of the Philippines is false. So now let us discuss the truth table of the compound proposition. For example, we have this compound proposition P or Q and the negation of P and Q. So first things first, let us identify the number of rows of the table. So we have two values na makukuha per proposition, either true or false. Raised to the number of the propositions, meron po tayo ditong dalawang proposition. We have the P and Q. So that will give us 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. Kaya meron po tayong 4 rows. Now, creating po our table, we will have this table. Okay, yung una po natin pwedeng gawin or isulat is the P and Q denoted by the propositions that we have. So, alam natin, kanina po, yung na-discuss natin, that the P and Q, pag 4, alam natin na this is true, true, false, false. Ito po magiging true, false, true, false. So, yung una nating pwedeng ma-solve is si P or Q kasi siya po yung nasa unahan. Next po, katulad po ng regular na mathematical operation, kung ano po yung parenthesis, yun po yung unahin nating isolve. So, meron po tayo ditong P or Q. Siya po yung nasa unahan, kaya siya yung una nating solve. Then, susundan siya ni P and Q kasi nasa isa din po siyang parenthesis, kaya siya po yung next na isolve. Ngayon po, ininegate daw po natin siya. So, bago po natin ma-solve si and uli, itong dalawang ito, kailangan po na inegate muna natin si P and Q. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng the negation of P and Q. At since available na po yung value ni P or Q and the negation of P and Q, kaya na po nating ma-solve itong kabuuan na ito, which is this one. So, solve na po natin. We have here the disjunction. And for the disjunction, ang rule po natin, isang true, lahat magiging true. True, true. We have two truths. Kaya ibig sabihin, this will give us true, 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 false. Dito naman po sa end, isang false, lahat magiging false. So, true, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us false. And false, false, that will give us false. So, not or the negation of P and Q, ibig sabihin po, ininegate lang po natin itong column na ito. So, that will give us, if not true, that is false. Not false, that is true. False or not false, that is true again, and not false, that is true again. So, kompleto na po tayo itong column na ito at column na ito. So, kaya na po natin siyang pagsamahin with this operation and. So, ang rule po natin kapag end, isang false, lahat magiging false. True, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us false. Kaya ibig sabihin po, ito pong last na ito po yung magiging result natin. So, that is our truth table for the proposition P or Q and the negation of P and Q. Now, how about this compound proposition? If P, then Q, and if P, then not Q. So again, meron tayong dalawang result that is either true or false. Raised to the number of propositions, still we have two propositions in this compound proposition, so that will give us 2 raised to 2, which is 4. So may 4 rows pa rin naman po tayo. Now, let us create our table. So sabi natin kanina, kung ano yung mga nasa parentheses, yun po yung unahin. So we have PQ here. If P, then Q. Ito po kasi yung nauna dito. Then, meron po tayo ditong the negation of Q. Kaya siya po muna yung pwede nating isolve. Then, pwede na nating ma-isolve ito, si if then. So that will give us P. Or if P, then not Q. Then, since available po si P, if P, then not Q, dito sa column na ito, available na rin po si P or if P, then Q sa column na ito, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin siyang pagsamahin with the use of our conjunction dito sa column na ito. So, let us solve. So, we have true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. With the conditional operation, sabi natin, magiging false lang siya sa isang condition. Kapag yung isa po or yung nauunang proposition is true and the second proposition is false. Kaya dito po, this is true, TF will be false, and the rest will be true. So dito naman po, we will negate the Q. Ito po yung column ng Q. If it is not true, then it is false. If it's not false, then it is true. Kaya, false true. Now, we have the column for the P. Available na po yung column for the Q. We can now solve for the condition of if P, then not Q. So, sabi natin dito, again, kapag meron tayong conditional, magiging false lang po siya sa isang condition. Kapag yung unang statement is true, and the other statement is false. So, we have here true, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us true, and false true, that will give us true. So kung makikita niyo po, available na po ito, dito po sa column na ito, at yung result po ni if P then Q dito sa column na ito. So ibig sabihin, ito pong column na ito at itong column na ito, sila po dapat yung titignan natin. At pinag-combine po sila with the conjunction. Kaya ibig sabihin po, kapag may isang false, lahat magiging false. We have true, false, that will give us false. We also have false, true, that will give us false. We have true, true, that will give us true. And true, true again, that will give us true. So meaning to say, kapag meron tayong compound proposition na if P then Q and if P then not Q, that will give us the truth value of FFTP. Now, my dear classmates, what if we have this compound proposition, not P or Q, and if Q, then not R and not P, and P or Q. Now, I want you to pause this video and try to solve the truth value of this compound proposition first. And afterwards, pwede nyo pong i-continue para ma-check kung tama po yung gawa natin. So again, let us count the number of rows for this compound proposition. We have 3 propositions here. We have the proposition P, Q, and R. So, since meron po tayong tatlo na, ang magiging result po natin is 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. Kaya po, nagkaroon tayo ng 8 rows. Now, creating the table po, we have the column for P, Q, R. At sabi natin kung ano po yung nauunang parenthesis, yun po yung muna yung isolve natin. So, since nagkaroon tayo dito ng not P, so siya po muna yung i-solve natin, not P for this column. And also not P or Q since available naman po si not P at si Q dito sa column na ito. Kaya pwede na natin siyang ma-solve dito. And also, pwede na natin ma-next si not R. Bakit po si not R at hindi si if Q then not R? Kasi po, my dear classmates, when we are dealing with truth value, we also follow the laws or the rule po of precedence. Ano po yung tinatawag nating rule of precedence? Ibig sabihin po, higher po ang precedence ni negation. Opo. Then, okay. So, sulat po natin siya. The rule of precedence po states na halimbawa po magkakaroon tayo ng maraming propositions at hindi po siya ngayon nakaparenthesis. Malalaman po natin kung alin ang uunahin with the rule of precedence. Yung rule of precedence po natin, mauuna po laging isinosolve, mas mataas ang precedence ni negation. Siya po yung nauunang precedence. Ngayon po, papangalawahan po siya ni conjunction and ni disjunction. At yung pang-last natin pwedeng isolve lagi is the if and then or the conditional and the biconditional. So ito po yung tinatawag natin na precedence. So yan po. Ibig sabihin po, kailangan ang una laging isinosolve is si not, then papangalawahan ni and or at kaya at susundan po ito or yung last nating pwedeng isolve is si if then and if and only if. Ngayon po, since dito mas nauuna po si not R, kaya siya po yung una nating isolve. Kaya ito po sa column na ito, makikita natin not R. So, since available na po si not P na na-isolve na natin kanina, wala na po siyang column dito. Susundan na po natin siya by not R and not P. So, titignan na lang po, magiging cautious na lang po tayo sa pagtingin. Then, since meron na tayo nito, di ba po, by the rule of precedence, ibig sabihin, kailangan mauuna dapat si conjunction kaysa kay implication. So, ibig sabihin, since na-solve na natin ito, pwede na nating mag-next si Q and, or if Q, then not R and not P. So, available na po itong compound proposition na ito dito sa column na ito at itong compound proposition na ito sa column na ito, pwede na po natin siyang pagsamahin with the conjunction dito sa column na ito. Then yung last po natin is isolve natin ito po sa P or R dito sa column na ito. And since lahat na po available si P or R, and compound proposition na ito, pwede na po nating i-combine na lang silang dalawa. At yun na po yung magiging final po nating result or truth table sa ito pong compound proposition na ito. So let us try to solve this one. So the truth value for the column P will give us true, 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 false, 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 false. Dito naman po sa Q, we have true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Dito naman po sa R, salitan na lang, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Ngayon po, not P, ito po ininegate lang natin siya. So we have false, 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 true, 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 true. Ngayon, itong column na ito, pagkasamahin po natin with disjunction by the column na ito. So sabi po natin dito, isa pong true, lahat magiging true kapag disjunction. So we have true, false that will give us true, true, false that will give us true, false, false that will give us false, false, false that will give us false, true, true that will give us true, true, true that will give us true, false, true that will give us true, and false, true that will give us true. Ngayon po, isa-solve na po natin si not R. Ito pong column na ito, ininegate lang po natin. So that will give us, if it's not true, then it is false. So since di ba ito pong R natin, salitan lang naman. Salitan na rin lang naman po natin si false, true, false, true. False, true, false, true, false, true. Now, since available naman po itong column na ito at column na ito, we combine it with conjunction. Sabi natin isang false, lahat magiging false. Kaya ito magiging false, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us false. False, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us false. True, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us false. And true, true, that will give us true. Ngayon naman po, for this column, ang kailangan po nating i-combine is ito at si Q po. Pero kailangan po, magiging false lang si implication kapag yung naunang statement is true and the next statement is false. Kaya true, false, that will give us false. True, false, this will give us false. False, true, this will give us true. False, false, that will give us true again. True, false, this will give us false. True, true, this will give us true. False, 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 that will give us true. And false, true, that will give us true. Ngayon, since available na po itong statement na ito, pwede na natin siyang ma-combine with the conjunction. So, itong column na ito at itong column na ito, kailangan ipag-combine natin siya with the conjunction. So, sa conjunction po, isang false, lahat magiging false. So, we have true, false, that will give us false. So, true, false, that will give us false. False, and true, that will give us false. Isang false, lahat po false. FT, that will give us false. TF, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. And true, true, that will give us true. Now, column naman po natin dito sa dalawa, P and R. Ito po, P and R. Kailangan po, ipag-combine natin siya with disjunction. Sa disjunction po, isang true, lahat magiging true. Kaya magiging true, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us true. And false, false, that will give us false. Ngayon, since available na po itong part na ito at itong part na ito, pag kinambine natin siya, ito ng pinakamalaking compound proposition yung magiging sagot natin. We combine it with the use of conjunction. Kapag conjunction po, isang false, lahat po magiging false. Kaya false, true, that will give us false. 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 But true, true, that will give us true. And false, true, true, false, that will give us false. So this is the result. Ito na pong last, siya po yung truth table nitong compound proposition pong ito. Again, my dear classmates, I want you to pause this video and try to answer this one. Find the truth table of the compound proposition, not P or Q, or P and not R, if and only if Q. So after a while po, let us check if your answers are correct. So I hope po na-try nyo na siya. So first things first, let us count the number of rows. So yung number of rows po niya, that will give us 2 raised to n. So we have 3 propositions, P, Q, R. So that will give us 2 raised to 3, that will give us 8. Now creating our table, we have the column for P, Q, R. And also we have the column for not P first, kasi po, di ba ang fina-follow natin is the rule of precedence. So, mas nauuna po lagi si negation, kaya siya po yung una natin laging sinosolve, not P. Ngayon po, after nun, isinusundan po siya ni conjunction or disjunction. So, since meron po tayo ditong disjunction po yung isusunod natin. Then, for the another parenthesis naman po, since nauuna, or since meron po tayong negation of R, siya po muna yung isi-solve natin imbis na si diretso end na. Kaya we have not R. Then, we can now solve for P and not R. So, given po both of the propositions not P or Q and the proposition P and not R are already available in both columns po, this column and this column, pwede na natin siyang i-combine with the use of disjunction. At since po by the rule of precedence, ang last po natin na naisosolve is the biconditional, yung last column po natin is for the biconditional alone. Okay, so let us solve now. So we have, for the P, we have true, 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 false, 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 false. So for the Q naman, we have true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. For R naman po, we have true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Not P, ito pong column na ito, ininegate lang natin so that will give us false, 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 true, 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 true. So not P, ito pong column na ito, at Q, i-combine po natin siya with the disjunction OR. So ang rule po natin kapag OR, isang true, lahat magiging true. True, false, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us false. False, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us true. And false, true, that will give us true. Now, the negation of R, ito pong column na ito, ininegate lang natin. So, since ito pong column na ito, ay salitan lang naman, kaya salitan na rin lang naman po natin itong true or false true na ito. False, false, true, false, true. So, combine na po natin siya with the use of disjunction this time. So, disjunction, itong column na ito, at itong column na ito. So, we have true, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us false. False, false, that will give us false. And false, true, that will give us false. Now, meron na po tayong available for this result dito sa compound proposition na ito. At dito sa compound proposition na ito, pwede na rin po natin siyang i-combine with the disjunction. So, let us make use of this column naman. So, itong column na ito at itong column na ito, yung susundin natin. So, bilugan natin siya para maalala natin. So, we have true, false, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us true. And true, false, that will give us true. Now, by the rule of precedence, ang nahuli na lang po sa atin is si Q. So, bali, ang isosolve po natin ay columns na ito at ito po, na Q. So, it is biconditional. Pag biconditional po ang rules natin, kapag magkaiba po yung symbol or truth value ng dalawang proposition, dun lang po siya magpo-false. Pero kapag magkaparehas, lagi po siyang true. So, we have here true, true, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. False, false, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us false. So, true, true, that will give us true. True, true, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us false. And false, true, that will give us false. So, this is the truth value for the compound proposition, not P or Q or P and not R, if and only if Q. I hope po clear na po sa ating lahat yung mga rules po of our basic operations and as well as creating the truth value for the compound propositions. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to reach me in my messenger account para po ma-answer ko po yung mga queries nyo. For our next topic, we have the logical equivalence. Logical equivalence are two propositions with the same truth tables. For example, we have this compound proposition. The negation of P and Q is logically equivalent to not P or not Q. Now, my dear classmates, in order for us to prove if both of these compound proposition are logical equivalents with each other, kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng truth table ng dalawang compound propositions na ito. First, let us create the compound proposition table for the compound proposition, the negation of P and Q. So again, for the P, we have true, true, false, false. For the Q, we have true, false, true, false. So, and po siya, meaning to say one false, all false, true, true, that will give us true, true, false, that will give us false, false, true, that will give us false, 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 that will give us false. Now, in-negate daw po natin siya, so that will give us false, true, true, true. Ngayon, gawa naman po tayo ng truth table for the not P or not Q. Tignan po natin if they are logically equivalent. So we have true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Not P, so that is, if it's not true, then it is false, false. If it's not false, that is true. So true. Ganon din po dito. So we have false, true, false, true. And we combine these columns with the use of disjunction. Sa disjunction po, isang true, lahat po magiging true. So we have false, false, that will give us false, false, true, that will give us true, true, false, that will give us true, and true, true, that will give us true. So kung makikita nyo, the negation of P and Q and the compound proposition not P or not Q has the same. They have the same po truth tables. So meaning to say, indeed, they are logically equivalent. So, na-prove po natin na they are logically equivalent. And logical equivalence is denoted by the 3 bars po. So, yan. So, ito pong logical equivalence, matatakal din po natin siya when Sir Rasco tackled about the algebra on proposition. So, yan. So, dito po sa discussion ng logical equivalence, ipoprove lang po natin if the logical equivalence that is available to us is indeed logical equivalence of each other. Now, how about this one? I want you to prove if really the compound proposition P or the quantity not P and R is logically equivalent to if P or not R, then R. So you can pause this video and try to solve it on your own. And afterwards, let's check if your answers are correct. So now let us first find the truth value for P or the quantity not Q and R. So again, we have 8 rows because we have 3 propositions. So ito po magiging true, 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 false, 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 false. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Ito naman po magiging true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. So not Q, that will give us false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. Now, i-combine na po natin itong column na ito sa column na ito with the use of conjunction. So, isang false, lahat magiging false. That will give us false, false, true, false, 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 true, false. So, itong column na ito, i-combine po natin doon sa first column natin. So, it is disjunction. Kapag disjunction po, isa pong true, lahat po magiging true. So, we have TF, that is true, 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 false, false, true, false. Now, let us check kung logically equivalent ba sila. Kung makikita niyo po, may if and then statement. So, we follow again the rule of precedence. So, ibig sabihin, ang last natin na isa-solve dapat ay laging si conditional or si biconditional. So, again, we have PQR, true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Now, not or po, ibig sabihin itong column na ito, inedegate lang po natin. So, we have false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Now, with the use of disjunction, itong column na ito, combine natin sa column na ito. So, isang true, lahat true. That will give us true. True, false, true, 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 false, true. So, with the use of if-then statement, kailangan po itong column na ito, yung last natin na na-solve, kailangan po i-combine natin with this column. Pero kailangan po, dapat, para maging false po siya, kailangan po itong column na ito muna maging true at ito po maging false. So, we have true, true, that will give us true. So, true, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. True, false, that will give us false. False, true, that will give us true. And true, false, that will give us false. So, kung makikita nyo, true, true, true. True, false, so hindi na siya magkatulad. So meaning to say, hindi po logically equivalent ang P or not Q and R is not logically equivalent with P or not R then R. So yun naman pong symbol natin for not equivalence or not logically equivalence is yun, yung parang may strike po si logically equivalence then may strike. So, ganun po tayo mag-prove if both of the compound propositions are logically equivalent with each other. Okay, for our last example, we have if P then Q and not Q is logically equivalent with not P and Q. So, dito po, meron lang tayong 4 rows because we have 2 propositions. So, first po, let us solve for the table or truth table of P if P then Q and not Q. So again, we have here true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Then since we have here implication, magiging false lang po siya sa isang condition kapag yung unang statement is true and the other one is false. So we have true, false, true, true. So negate po natin si Q. So ito po, since salitan lang naman siya, salitan din naman po nating inegate. And i-combine na po natin siya with the conjunction, itong column na ito at itong column na ito. So we have conjunction po, isa pong false, lahat magiging false. So we have true, false that will give us false, false, true that will give us false, true, false that will give us false, and true, true that will give us true. Now how about this one? So not P and Q. So we have again true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, so with the use po of the rules of precedence, so mauuna lagi sa negation. So that is not true, that is false. False, true, true. Now, meron na tayong the negation of P. We can now combine it with the conjunction of Q. So sa conjunction po, isang false, lahat magiging false. True, false, that will give us false. False, false, that will give us false. True, true, that will give us true. False, true, that will give us false. So kung makikita nyo, still, they are not logically equivalent. So if you can see, hindi po sila parehas ng truth table. So meaning to say, kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng slash dito. In order for us to say that both of the compound propositions are not logical equivalents of each other. So that's it for today po. Thank you for listening. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to message me at my messenger account.